मिनिस्टर
इधर आके कुछ माइक दो.
First minister to resign. Today I have resigned as a minister in this cabinet, and elections are already declared. Model code of conduct is in place, and we have to go for the next elections. And I am quite sure people, constituents of Kalangut constituency will respect my decision that I have taken just now to resign from the cabinet, and they will give me this opportunity to serve them back again as the MLA. I am going to resign also as an MLA today, and I will see what next steps to be taken. Still not totally finalized what step is to be taken, but I am in talks with other political parties. Time will say.
So what are unhappy, sir?
So what was the reason to leave the?
It has been quite a good long journey with BJP. For 15 years I am going to resign today as an MLA and as a member of Bharatiya Janata Party. And I was quite upset the way we are all looked at, especially the Karyakartas, the grassroots level workers are unhappy with the party. Maybe I am wrong also, but I have seen in my own eyes, I have heard in my ears. People came to me and spoke to me, not from my constituency only. माझे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक येऊन सगळे दुसरे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक येऊन सांगले की पार्टी येदी मोठी जाल्या ती आमकां बारीक लोकांक आतां पळयना. ती खंयचे तरी हे लिडर हाडटा आनी आमचे तकलेर दवरता, आनी आमी ग्रासरूट लेवलाचे वर्कर. ग्रासरूट लेवलाच्या वर्करान म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यां कडेन संपर्कान रावपाक जाय. सगळे पार्टीचे कार्यकर्ते वर्कर आसूं, शुभचिंतक आसूं, वेल विशर हे हिंका घेवन फुडें वचपाक जाय. एंड आय थिंक देर आर सम ups and downs. There are always ups and downs. You have to understand. Maybe sometimes the party takes decision in a good, but it cannot be lock, stock and barrel for everyone, and everybody, the main Karyakartas are being sidelined. अशें खुबशी नाराजगी आहा. म्हाजी कितें आहा पळय तें आमी स्पश्टपणी सांगलेलें आहा, आदीं सांगलेलें आहा. खूब टायम जालो हांव उलयता ही गजाल, कोण कोणाच्या कानार पडना ती, आनी म्हाका अशें दिसलें की आमकां निग्लेक्ट केला, आमकां सायडीक दवरल्या. सायडीक दवरले उपरांत मागीर आनी अशें नेक्स्ट स्टेप जे आसता ते ट्रेन सोडून वचचें पडटा. सो आयज आमी
Discussion on the national leaders on the party.
ना तशें कांय ना. आय हॅव nothing to comment on national leaders and nothing to comment even on state leaders. Maybe that is their decision all over.
केन्ना जॉईन जाता काँग्रेस?
No.
कित्याक काल तुमचो आयज सांगाताक आसा राज्यान तोय जॉईन जाला, तो आयज तुमच्या बरोबर दिसता, तो तुमचे हे ना?
ना तशें कांय ना. We are
You
friends.
also candidate, Congress candidate campaigning attend.
No, he is our very dear friend, Kedarnath. Very dear friend, very close to him. I have campaigned for him. So today I have resigned. There is no regret that I have campaigned for him. So it will depend now, whichever political party I will join in, I will see that we win maximum number of seats.
So one reason is that ki your wife is not getting ticket, because of that you left the BJP. Your wife is not getting a ticket of the BJP symbol is the reason.
Never. Day one, I'm telling you all the media also, we have not asked for the ticket. Nobody can say that we have asked for the ticket. Because they had already declared the Shivalim seat. Ticket मागप ना तो डिक्लेअर जाताले आमी कित्याक मागप आधी डिक्लेअर जाले
टोटल बार्देस
मायकल अशा तरेन बीजेपी सोडप तुमकां कितले, कारण 2017 गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म करपा खातीर तुमचो एक व्हडलो वांटो आसलो बीजेपीचो आनी आयज तुमी अशें सांगून
इट
पार्टी
विल ऑलवेज बी इन आवर हार्ट. म्हणजे कितें आसा आदी एक टायमार आमी काँग्रेसचे वर्कर आसले, काँग्रेस सोडले म्हणून अशें न्हू की आमकां हें ना, आमचे कावजान आहात, आमी खूब शिकलेले आहात हिंगा. भारतीय जनता पार्टीन आमदार मनोहर पर्रीकर लिडरशीपूय आमी खूब शिकलेले आहात. सो ते आमी सोडूंक ना, ते सदांच कावजान आसतले. सो ऑल दोज नॉलेज वॉट वी हॅव गॉट, ऑल दोज आयडियाज वॉट वी हॅव गॉट, शिकल्या जे आमी ते आमी फुडें व्हरपाक जाय, लोकां मदेकात पावोवपाक जाय आनी लोकां मदेकात रावपाक जाय.
यू आर नॉट हॅपी विथ प्रमोद सावंत लिडरशीप?
इट्स नॉट अबाउट दॅट.
बट ही
Thank you.
Sir, one more thing, sir. Last time you said ki Bardes will be of Michael Lobo, so still you are firm on your decision.
Now, Poya, no, time will say. It is not on Michael Lobo, it is with the people. And people will decide the fate of the candidates as and when they fill in their forms to fight the coming election.
Sir, one more thing, 10,000 jobs the Pramod Sawant is saying. You still believe that? Assembly.
आयज काँग्रेस जॉईन जाता फाल्यां.
कालची प्रेस पण परत बोलले सर.
सर टुगेदर फॉर बार्देस युअर पार्टी.
Let us see.
बोल कर.